Anytime now. Away they go. More from the outside. Couple entry number one. Cool reception by the row. And on the outside is entry number six. And that is entry number six is Precious Metal. It's Tokmo 1A by the Rally School Reception. And on the outside is Precious Metal. Down on the inside for this Intramuros. About to be is running in fifth by Sam Tulangs Friendly Fire, Pivotal, Red Hot Water, Magical Halo. Third last, second last, Living for them, Tricky Charlie's. Rounding the far 10. Tokmo by about 5 lengths. Intramuros is running in the middle. Precious Metal is on the outside. And Cool Reception as they raise the final corner. 1-8 more. Still leading by about 5 lengths. Precious Metal in second. Intramuros now running by the rail. And leading the last 100 meters more to run. 1-8 more. Still hanging to that 5 lengths lead, followed by Intramuros Precious Metal. And finally, 1A more, the horse of Conchal Paulo Crisostomo. Second, 6A Precious Metal. Intramuros about to be Red Hot Water living